Good day guys, what's up? How are you doing? So this is Alpha and today I'll be teaching you how you can use gainers, the top gainers to trade on Binance. If you're a futures trader, how are you going to be using the top gainers to be trading on Binance and earn more money to your pocket if you're a futures trader? So this is my favorite, my hold and my gainers. So these are my gainers. So these are my gainers. These are the coins that are currently doing well. Can you say everything is green? Green because they are currently doing well. Why are they doing well? What causes it to be green? What causes it to be top gainers? These are the questions that you are likely asking yourself. The reason why they are under top gainers is because the amount of buyers buying this coin are high. The percentage of buyers, the percentage of people that are currently buying these coins are very high. And when people control the market, when people buy coin, if larger amount of people bought the coin will rise, and if larger amount of people sell a coin, the coin will fall. So people control market. That is generally these gainers, these coins are under gainers, they are under the top gainers. Why? Because the amount of people that are trading them are very high. So let's take this key for instance. So let it load. So it has finished loading. Can you see this key is still rising? It started rising from 0.06 to 0.01. Wow, 0.006 to 0.01. This is money, guys. This is money. Let's assume, okay, as it is rising now, how can you gain money from these top gainers? All you need to do is, anything that goes up will surely come down. It is normal. Then it will come down and will go back. That is how things are in life. So under these top gainers, there will be a video that I will be posting that will teach you how you can carry out technical analysis and fundamental analysis on coin. But let's continue with this. So if you're liking my video, if you're enjoying my video, please like, share and subscribe so as to gain more access to more of my videos where I'll be showing you how you can use indicators to trade on Binance, how you can use indicators as signals, as either signals to buy or sell on Binance on yourself, with yourself. I hope you understand. You can carry out the technical analysis by yourself. So now let's continue with this chart. So you as a futures trader, a spot trader cannot trade with this top beginners coin. Why? Because you can't earn by shorting or selling on spot. You can only earn by selling or shorting on futures. So let's assume I want to trade on futures now. All I need to do is to short this coin from 0.01 downward. I can either predict it to come to 0.09 0.009 or a 0.008 and take my profit. So that is how I can earn money by shorting on this coin under top gainers. So how you can earn under top gainers is simply shorting. You can't buy anymore. Why? Because the coin has already done everything it wants to do by longing. It has risen. Things you should be expecting under gainers coin is shorting. You should not long under top gainers coin because people have already gained what they want to gain from it. The only thing you should be expecting from this top gainer coin is to what? Is to short if you're a futures trader. So if you're enjoying my video, kindly like, subscribe and share my video so as to gain more access to more of my video where I'll be showing you how to use indicator in trading, how to use losers, the top losers in how to use the top losers in gaining money into your account, how to use the new listing in gaining money into your account, and how to use the 24 hours volume change coins in gaining money into your Binance account. And I'll also be teaching you how to use the new listed coin, by using it to gain money into your Binance account. Kindly subscribe to my channel to gain access to this video. Thank you.